What if you could stop riding the transactional income roller coaster and start building true compounding wealth on every single mortgage you close? Historically, there's one massive asset in the mortgage industry that loan officers have been entirely locked out of: mortgage servicing rights. See, the big banks and institutional lenders hoard that reoccurring income for themselves while you move on the hunt for the next deal. But this coming July 4th, the game changes forever. We're dropping an announcement that's going to completely alter the landscape of the mortgage industry. We're talking about true independence for loan officers, introducing something that has never been done in mortgage before: servicing aligned income. Now, here's a sneak peek at what's dropping, the exact math on how it builds passive wealth, and why it's going to change where you choose to hang your license.
As the largest mortgage broker in the country, NEXA Lending owner Mike Kortas has the capital and the industry influence to exact real change. And he's used that leverage to do the impossible. Through his separately structured servicing platform, NEXA loan officers will have exclusive oversight on servicing rights. This means a compliant pathway for you, the loan originator, to participate in the long-term recurring revenue of the loans you create.
Let that sink in. You aren't just getting paid to originate anymore. You're going to be getting paid on the long-term performance and life cycle of the loan. Now, I need to give you a little reality check before we look at the math. This is a massive regulated initiative, and we need to be patient as we roll this out, because when the switch flips on July 4th, we're starting with conventional loans only. Right? But behind the scenes, we're actively collaborating with multiple investors and lenders across both servicing and subservicing platforms to expand this footprint. The goal is to add government and other loan products to the lineup by the end of the year. John, what are you doing? Quit fooling around. Let's just go show them the math. All right, let's talk about the numbers, because this is a massive income and recruiting opportunity for you. Now, our initial estimate is that a loan officer is going to be able to earn somewhere between $20 and $25 a month per file that's in loan servicing. All right, now that might not sound like $1 million on day one, but I want you to look at how this math compounds over time. Let's take a look at a modest example, okay? Let's say you close an average of 4 loans a month. Well, at $20 a month, your first month in servicing, you're gonna have about $80 a month. But next month, you close another 4 loans. Now you're at $160 a month. And by month 12, you'd be at $960 per month. And you keep up that pace, and suddenly you have a predictable passive cash flow engine running in the background that's completely independent of your new origination pipeline, by the way. Now, the average loan is going to stay in your servicing portfolio for about 4.7 years. So just imagine stacking those blocks month after month, year after year. If you're trying to recruit top-tier talent to your branch or your team, showing them a path to true passive income like this, that's the ultimate mic drop. The old way of doing business says that brokers can't touch servicing value. The old way says that you should give up long-term wealth to fund corporate overhead. We say it's time to get paid to control what you want to control. Keep your eyes completely glued to this channel as we approach July 4th for the full detailed breakdown of this rollout. In the meantime, if you want to see how much money you're leaving on the table at your current retail shop, look down in the description right now and click the link to my Freedom Framework calculator to see what your true earning potential looks like. Or if you want to skip the line and get a private zero BS breakdown of how to position your business for this July 4th shift, book a 15-minute real talk call with me. Stop building everyone else's servicing portfolio and start building your own. Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button so you don't miss the big July 4th announcement, and I'll see you on the next video.